Some persons have been on YouTube here for ages and then they are still yet to get their 1000 subscribers, probably because they refuse to upload shorts because they feel like shorts will be killing their views or killing their channel. Why did YouTube put shorts there if they think it will be killing your channel? YouTube is a business and YouTube is out here to make profits. So if you've not been uploading shorts, then you need to start now. If you're still trying to get your 1000 subscribers, you should not choose one form of video over another. Say choosing long form videos over shorts, or choosing live streams over shorts, or choosing live streams over long form videos. No. If you are yet to get your 1000 subscribers, you should be uploading YouTube shorts, YouTube long form video, and you should be scheduling live streams. If you haven't been doing so, you should start now. But if you really want to get your 1000 subscribers faster, then you should start uploading shorts, because shorts travel very far and very fast. If your long form video will give you 30 new subscribers in 3 days, your shorts can give you that 30 new subscribers in 1 day. So you should start uploading more shorts. Upload more shorts on your YouTube channel if you want to get your 1000 subscribers faster. Next thing you need to do is become a loyal subscriber. Yes. You see all these small channels. There are a lot of small channels like yours who are still looking for their 1000 subscribers. Now all you need to do is subscribe to these channels and engage, not just subscribing. Subscribe to these channels and engage. There's no how you'll be engaging continuously on somebody's channel and the person is not going to notice you. And what happens is when they notice you, they know that this person is also a small creator like myself. Once they notice that you are continuously engaging on their content, they will check out your profile and they will see that this person is equally a small creator like myself, and definitely this person wants us to connect. So what they will do in that case is to also subscribe to your channel, watch your videos and subscribe to your channel, and also keep engaging on your content as you do for them. So be a loyal subscriber. If you're not a loyal subscriber, going on YouTube might just be a tough one for you. Be a loyal subscriber if you want to get your 1000 subscribers fast and also get your videos to get more views and more watch time. Like I said, create all kinds of content, long form videos, shorts and live stream, and even post, but create more shorts if you want to get your 1000 subscribers faster. Bring value to the table, create valuable content, be a loyal subscriber. I said small subscribers, small creators, because all these big creators, they have a huge subscriber might not be able to notice you when you keep commenting on their videos. So that's why I said small creators. So follow and engage continuously on the small creators, and you will see that they will do the same for you. Next thing, make sure that you're bringing valuable content to the table. Nothing beats valuable content. Valuable content cannot be overemphasized. Always bring value. People want value for their time, value for their data, value for their resources. So always bring value. Make sure that your video can solve a problem, and then you see the subscribers trooping in. Next thing you need to do, if you've not been live streaming, you should start. Live streams will give you your subscribers very fast, and even your watch time will increase very fast from live stream. Take for instance, if you are on live and it's only one person that watches your video, the other live stream from the beginning to the end for 2 hours. Let's say you go live for 2 hours and only one person watches that live stream with you from the beginning of the live stream to the end. That's 2 hours. How many of your videos get 2 hours of watch hours in 1 day? How many? So now you see that you need to live stream. If you get 3 people to attend your live stream for 2 hours, that's 6 hours in just 2 hours. How many of your videos get 6 hours of watch time in 2 hours? So these are the things you need to consider when you are trying to decide or neglect one form of video over the other. All of them matter. Your shorts, your live stream, your long form content, they all matter. And even your posts. If you've not been making posts, you should start making posts now. YouTube made that post community for a reason, so start using it. If you're still watching at this point, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and drop me a comment. Let me know where you watched this video from. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Until next time, bye.